Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some clip-ins. If you want to see me do that, then stay tuned. To make these clip-ins, what you will need is a needle, a scissors, some thread, clip-ins, and the hair. Braid your hair in the desired pattern, then use the weave and place it where you would like it to be. Then measure from the extreme left braid to the extreme right braid. Where my thumb is, that's where I cut. I'm doing this again further up on my head where my finger is tapping, that's where I cut. After cutting the hair, I use my fingers to pull on that area to ensure that there are no loose hairs. Before I start, I ensure that the clip-ins are open and that this part of the clip-in is on top of the weave. Align the clip-in with the hair and then start sewing. I use the first hole and I do not sew through the wefts, I sew over them. What happened here is that I was too close to the edge, so it started sewing on the hair strands. So for each hole I sew about 3 or 4 times before I switch to the other hole, and before switching I check to see if the needle is at the back. If it is, then I'm going to start sewing from the back. If the needle is at the front, then I'm going to start sewing from the front. What I normally do before I cut the thread at the end is I put the thread over the needle and pull it through and tighten it there, then I cut it. Ensure that you do not cut close to the knot because it will unravel. Continue this process until you're through. I'm not a big fan of the braided headband, but I went ahead and made one from the weave. When you cut the wefts from the weave, it kinda looks like braiding hair, so you do what you do with braiding hair to not get the blunt ends. Then separate the hair based on the size braid that you want. I did small pieces because I wanted a small braid. I'm not the best when it comes to braiding hair. Worst adding hair to the braid, so I did the rest off camera. This is the braid. It could have been a bit bigger, but this will work. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.